I'm Dr. Hugh A. Jenkins, naturopathic and chiropractic physician, and I would like to tell you my story about my skeletal system and how Solle has helped me out. I've been an athlete all of my life. When I was younger, my father taught us tennis. When I got into high school, I was on the track and field uh, uh, and a pole vaulter going into college. In medical school, I ran distance races, 5 and 10K races, and a number of marathons. So now that I'm in my golden years, an elder of the community, I'm now doing walking, but it's distance walking from 6 to 12,000 steps a day on concrete, out in the park, every place. I love to walk now. It invigorates me and it keeps me younger for better longevity. Now, being that the body gets some aches and pains as it gets older, so I've had some challenges with my bones and joints, especially my right hip. So I've tried other products in the past, things with collagen and nitric oxide, and they were okay, but they just didn't, you know, get didn't solve the problem. So not until I started using the Excell and the ReNue in with the collagen, it was fantastic because my pain level out of 1 to 10, where 10 is excruciating, my pain level was a 7 to 8 out of 10. And as I started drinking the Excell and ReNue with the collagen, I started to feel better. In 5 short minutes, I noticed, and I told my wife about this, that the pain reduced. It went from a 7 to 8 out of a 10 down to a 2 to 3 out of a 10. I said, oh my God. And by the time I finished drinking this fantastic drink, in 15 minutes, I had zero pain. Now, it didn't totally solve the problem because, like I said, I'm an elder in the community and I'm in my golden years. So I continue drinking it. And these, because they're not painkillers, these are nutritional supplements. And what they do is that they nourish the body so it can heal itself. Okay? Because disease starts at the cell level, and that's also where healing has to start, at the cell level, and build it up. So for these people that have more of a challenge than I do, and I've had talk with people that have bone on bone, and I shared these packages with one person, and they said it didn't work because I'm still having the pain. But their doctor, they told me that their doctor wants them to have a hip replacement within a month, December of this year, or next summer. So one package of something when the body's in such a deficient state is not going to solve the problem. We have to do it for a minimum, and this is what I've been telling clients for many, many years, a minimum of 90 days to get down to the cell level, because that's where healing starts. So we do this program. Thank God it's a 4-month program. The first one helps to balance it off with the nutrients, and you'll start to see some improvement. But the longer you've had your dis-ease, being out of balance, the longer it's going to take to bring it back into balance. So you're on the 4-month program. And the last month is good because these nutrients in here help to nourish the body so it can continue to heal itself. So I've told clients for many, many years, it's a 3-month program, then you have to add 1 month for every year you've had a health problem. If you got chronic bone degeneration, where there's bone on bone, it's going to take some time. So don't expect that one package, these little packages, or one of these is going to get the problem totally solved. Give yourself time. It's all in God's time. Be consistent. That's the main thing about it. You'll notice if you're consistent with that 4-month program, which is longer than 90 days, you'll start to see some improvement. But that doesn't mean that dis-ease is corrected. You're just starting to get it back into balance. So what you do is, the best thing to do is, if you want to strengthen your structural system, with some collagen. Excel it and renew it.